Hello, hello. My name is Mayor Martin. If you came to this video before you start cleaning your Oriental rug, how lucky you are. If you watch this video after you already try to clean your rug, you know how right I am. Let me tell you all the scenario that you're going to face when you try to clean your Persian Oriental rug, especially when you're having a dog or cat's urine odor and you use all the cleaning product in the market and you realize then the smell drive you crazy and your wife already planning to divorce you. Let me give you good advice. Don't try to clean your Oriental rug yourself. The chance that you're going to remove the urine odor completely, 0. You already try all the cleaning product in the market. All of them contain enzyme and deodorize and promise you that the pee-pee will disappear and will move to your neighbor John that you don't like him. The reality is far from this situation. You work so hard to clean the rug. You flood the rug. The color will start running and you will find that you cannot even move the rug. You start pulling from this side to the other side and you're having such a big problem. And especially think about how heavy is 9 by 12 Oriental rug, a Persian rug, when it's saturated with the water. It is weight a ton. Don't try to clean Oriental rug at home by yourself. Look how thick is the rug. The pee-pee hide in the area that you cannot reach, in the foundation of the rug. When you start pulling and squeezing and do the whole things, you tear the rugs apart. This is what happened to this monster rug. And you realize then the smell is overwhelming. Everybody got crazy and you will end up taking the rug and put it in your garage. Smelling bad. Let me tell you the story of Mrs. Elaine from Pennsylvania. And I'm sure it's a reflect if you try to clean your rug yourself. Please watch the video from the beginning. Elaine from Pennsylvania, Oriental rug cleaning. Mrs. Elaine from Pennsylvania, 19006, called me. She said, I have a beautiful rug and today I'm very upset. I realize then I cannot clean the Oriental rug. I cleaned it so many times and it still smells. And I asked her, who pee on the rug? And she said, I have a kitten and she pee on the rug and I try everything. I try all the cleaning process in the market and it still smells. What shall I do? I give her instruction. I told her how to fold the rug. And I asked her, would you please send me a pictures of the cat so I can put it on my video? And she said, definitely. Boom! I received the 2 pictures. The rug already been folded and the cat already standing near the window and look at me. And she asked me, shall I put the cat with the rug? And I said, no, don't do that, because the minute you bring, I have the cat in my house and I have 2 big Doberman, I'm gonna be in trouble, and I love animal. She was laughing and she said, I love my cats. It's just a joke. I said, I appreciate. I sent UPS to her door. UPS pick up the package and drop it off in my warehouse. I received the rug on Wednesday, and now I'm cleaning the rug and making the video how I cleaned the rug from the cat urine odor, plus all the cleaning product Mrs. Elaine used. It's mean I have to flush out, I have to remove all the cleaning product the customer use, Mrs. Elaine, plus all the pee-pee the cats deposit in the rug. Take a look at the first cleaning process. This is what the tubes show me. And come with me to the warehouse and listen to the sound of the cleaning process. Allow me to explain to you how the PetPeePee machine working. The cats pee on the top of the rug. The pee-pee travel all the way down and spread in the area then it's hard, where it's all the nuts holding the wool. This cotton area saturated with the cat's urine odor. Now, we apply soap, deodorize, enzyme, nature miracle, all of those cleaning products. And those cleaning products, the chlorine evaporate, and all the pH balance, all the soap blend with the pee-pee and become food for the bacteria. We at PetPeePee develop a cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This organic, natural cleaning product will kill the bacteria naturally. Dead sea, dead, kaput, gone. So, we rinse the rug, we flush the rug on the top, and we vacuum from under the rug. Everything then it's in between the top and the bottom. The water will go through it, the liquid will go through it and take with them all the crystal, the urine crystal, the pee-pee down. And when the tube become clear, clean, the same water coming from the top will go to the bottom. I know I finished the cleaning process several more times. Be sure then is no more yellow, anything's in the rug. I let the rug dry on the floor completely flat, and after 48 hours, the rug will be shipped back again to Mrs. Eileen in Pennsylvania. PetPeePee. I love cleaning Oriental rug because I invented the cleaning process. Thank you for watching. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag, and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.